I'll get up close with it.
That is slick as shit.
That's really a cool deal.
Isn't it? That's almost like, you know, when you go to one of those really expensive classes to learn how to do laparoscopic surgery or something, huh?
Yeah, it is. Wow. You gotta knock the flag off.
I was just going to say that.
Oh, you gotta see what I'm seeing. Oh,
You got
somebody working up there.
You telling me I could have been practicing this in a recliner with a beer?
Oh, this is something you need to say to
All right, so now, wait. All right, so I get my new stick, right? And I get a score, 86.
What was mine?
No, we didn't even look at yours.
That's considered a pretty good score, isn't it?
No,
No?
no, that's fatal. You gotta get 90. So at each one of these lines tells us something. So the green being your work angle, arc length being your yellow line. So below the middle median line means that my arc length was too short. My work angle was pointing, probably pointing down that way too much. But other than that, position was good, travel angle.
I bet you if you were sitting in that chair, you'd have got a 95.
Oh, yeah, for
Yeah, if I wasn't under pressure. All right, get out of here.
Okay, we'll see ya. Have a good one.
You want to try it Tuesday? I'll